again, I'm up on the property of Kim Clement Center, and decided to come up here on January 1st to meet with the Lord. And I wanted to share something with you, just a little tidbit. It's not long. Basically, it pertains to something the Lord shared with me back in about 6 months ago, actually. And I don't even know what I was doing, but the thought came to me. I think I was thinking on 2016 or something. And when I said 2016, suddenly I heard the Lord say, it's going to be the church's coming out party. Now, what does that mean? Well, in the debutante world and in the world of old tradition, they had what they would call coming out parties for girls that were 16 through 18. And it was when they were coming of age, and the family and parents would create a party and call everyone to this feast and this dinner, and with festivities and dancing and all kinds of good things, to present their daughter that it was now coming into maturity. And with that 16 years of age was coming new authority and a new social impact that girl had not had before. And the Lord said, Dina, it's 2016, and I'm getting ready to have a coming out party for the church, because the church has been in hiddenness in these past years. Now, I'm old enough to remember when she was out on the front stage, you know, in the 90s, the early 90s, and other times where we had a voice. Even in the media, we had a voice. But it seems like there's been just this season of silence. And when the Lord said that, I was like, oh my gosh. And I saw, as it were, in the Spirit, like God bringing us, our Father bringing us out, throwing a party, and us stepping out on the stage, and our voice once again returning to be heard, and a new authority coming to the church. Also, the Lord spoke to me about the Sweet 16 and coming into a new place of intimacy. And one of my intercessors back at the church that I'm based at, that I oversee intercession, Jennifer, said a couple of Sundays ago, you know, I've been really pondering this, Dina, that I really heard 2016, and I heard the Lord say Sweet 16 and never been kissed. When she said that, I didn't tell her what the Lord had been speaking to me about, you know, the coming out party and intimacy and all that. And she said, you know, I just felt like the Lord was saying, no, for the church, she's Sweet 16, and she's going to know the kisses of his lips, like it says in Song of Solomon, which speaks of intimacy with God. So I believe 2016 is a year that God is going to bring us into new levels of intimacy with Him, where we will know face-to-face moments and encounters with Him. I believe it's also going to be where we step out. You know, it's 16 years old when you get your license to drive, and it's like giving you a new power of authority, you know, to be able to do things you didn't do before. And I really believe that we've always had that authority, but that we're going to see ourselves stepping out into that more and more as the church in this year, and that God is getting ready to draw the curtains back and present us to the world and to the nations, where we're going to have a voice once again, and we're going to have an impact, and we are going to be known, and we are going to be seen. That's all. I'm sure there's more, but let Him build on it in your own heart. This is 2016, and it's the church's coming out party.